Holden. Hi, Holden.
So David has seen a lot of them. Yeah, he and I both have too. Yeah. But he hasn't seen this one. So we had a Hawaiian. We made Hawaiian food and watched the movie Hawaii, and then we realized son was his wife.
Yeah, but some of those older movies like that one taught you more than the movies teach you nowadays. It's like that Hawaii movie, you learned a lot from that one. Hi, Holden. Holden.
Oh yeah, you see like all those movies.
Hi.
And